I'm Kin. Let me guess. You sent an important email, and no one replied. Not your client, not your colleague, not even the test email you sent to yourself. So you start wondering, did I say something wrong? But more often than not, the real problem isn't what you wrote. It's where your email ended up. Spam. And the frustrating part? Most emails don't go to spam because they're bad. They go there because email systems don't trust them yet. Let's break this down. Simply. What spam filters actually do? Every time you send an email, it gets judged in seconds. Email providers like Gmail and Outlook are asking questions like, who sent this? Can we verify them? Have they behaved well before? And does this message look safe? If your email can't answer those questions clearly, it doesn't get rejected. It just quietly disappears into spam. No warning, no notification, just gone. The most common reasons emails go to spam. The number one reason emails go to spam isn't wording. It's authentication. If your domain isn't properly set up, email servers can't confirm that you are really you. This is where things like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC come in. Now, don't worry about memorizing those names. Think of them like ID checks. SPF says, these servers are allowed to send emails for my domain. DKIM says, this message hasn't been changed since I sent it. DMARC says, if something looks suspicious, here's what to do. If even one of these is missing or misconfigured, email systems start doubting you, and doubt leads to spam. Reputation matters more than you think. Here's something many people don't realize. Your email address has a reputation, just like a credit score. If you suddenly send a lot of emails, or your emails get ignored, deleted, or marked as spam, your reputation drops. New domains are especially vulnerable. Sending 200 emails on day one from a brand new domain? That's a red flag. Email systems prefer slow, consistent human behavior. That means warming up your domain, sending gradually, and emailing people who actually expect to hear from you. Content still matters, just not how you think. Yes, content does matter, but not in the way people assume. It's not about avoiding every sales word. It's about balance and clarity. Too many links, too many images, or sending image-only emails with no text, spam, emails that look copied, templated, or overly promotional, suspicious. Plain, conversational emails with a clear purpose, much better. A good rule: if your email sounds like something a real person would write to another real person, you're on the right track. Simple things that make a big difference. Here are a few small changes that have a big impact. Use a real email address, not no reply. Make sure your domain and email match. Always include a proper email signature. Avoid sending mass emails from personal inboxes. And most importantly, test before you send. Tools like mail testers can show you exactly why an email might fail, before your audience ever sees it. Why this keeps happening to businesses? Most businesses don't fail at email because they're careless. They fail because no one ever set things up properly. Email systems are technical. They change constantly. And one small DNS mistake can quietly undo everything. That's why this problem feels invisible, until results drop. If your emails are landing in spam, it doesn't mean you're doing something wrong. It usually means something behind the scenes needs fixing. And the good news? These problems are solvable. Technology doesn't have to be hard. Thanks for watching.